YouTube? What's the wig? Welcome back to another Viggity vid. You said, hey, I'm finna get ready to go to the gun range with my uncle again. Yeah, man, I told you I was gonna hit this range real quick, come out with some more content. And what I'm carrying right now too, my Glock 27. You know what I'm saying? Boom. See, it's already been safety checking all that, you know what I mean? Trigger back, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's what I'm carrying right now. And then I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna take, cause like I said, the review coming for this soon. Excuse the mess, man. I've been moving around stuff, you know what I'm saying? The Glock 22, you know what I'm saying? The Glock 26, the Glock 19, my Glock 27, and then, yeah. But yeah, man, I'm gonna find something to shoot. So I'm gonna be back here in a second, man. Let's go. Shoot these. I ain't shot the 27 in a minute. He got his Taurus. I'm carrying the 27 right now too. He got his 27. And his friends, Walter Creed. Yeah. All 9s, 40s. Yeah.
Test out this Creed, see what this is my buddy gun. I want to see he don't never use this motherfucker. I'm gonna test it.
He never used it. Yeah. It looked like was it decent? That joint snappy.
You try. I'll let you be the judge. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Maybe it was just me then. Maybe it's just me.
Yeah, you see them joints here?
Maybe it's just me.
Yeah, cause the group is But yeah, it wasn't bad.
See how I do with my 40. 40, bro.
Yeah, them joints weren't bad at all. Low with the 40s because it's a bigger caliber than damn.
Where you was at?
Yeah, where was I aiming at? I know I was aiming at the middle.
You down there at the bottom, ain't you?
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm at the bottom. That motherfucker shit. I need some grips on that motherfucker. That shit got my hand hurt.
That one does. That's how it is with this motherfucker. With this 10 round.
Yeah.
Kill him.
I need some Talon grips on that motherfucker.
Kill him, my hand.
Yeah. And then you gotta keep adjusting your grip. You need some Talon grips on that joint. That motherfucker hidden though. Yeah, I just shot this joint right here. I gotta get some grips for that. He's shooting this EDC right now.
Y'all always hating on it. Y'all always hating on Taurus. I'm sure y'all how I do Taurus. I'm going for right shoulder over there.
Right shoulder. All right.
Quit playing with them. I'm telling you.
Bro, hey.
I need you to, I want you to do it. I want you to do it.
Cause that joint was just hidden.
I want you to be the judge.
That joint was just hidden.
Go to the left corner. Go to the left shoulder.
Bet. That joint was just hidden.
I did a little something to it though, so.
Oh, what you do to it?
It ain't factory.
Oh, yeah, see. Cool.
It ain't factory.
Yeah. Hey, that Walker, that joint kind of hit.
I gotta get used to it, I think. I like the grip on it.
I was aiming directly at the middle, but I feel like if you aim directly at the middle, you gotta aim it up a little bit.
I like the grip on it. The grip, it holds your hand right. Shoot the tour. See how you think about it. Go to the left shoulder.
I might have to give you one of them.
I changed out the internals though.
What all you do to it?
I did the upper stainless steel upper kit on it.
Oh, you talking about the barrels?
No, like the inside.
Oh, the inside. Right?
Yeah. If you look, it's stainless steel. All that stainless in there.
So it can feed better. It ain't that bad though.
And what's the name? It's stainless.
Stainless steel guide rod. Yeah, see on me, that's some nice recoil off. The only thing though, that grip, you know what I'm saying?
That's what I like the grip. I like the grip.
Yeah, they got the texture right here.
Yeah, I like the texture on it. See, with the you gonna have to. I gotta put like Talon grip on my Glock.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying. Now this one. You know what I'm saying. You judge it off yours because yours got the grip.
This one got the
yours got the grip, so you're good.
I'm talking about.
Shot your what's it?
What? 26. Yeah, I ain't shot it yet. Yeah, let me go ahead. I gotta make sure that dot on. You know what I'm saying? I brought my kit too.
I thought you already. Didn't you already?
Yeah, I shot it in with the.
Where you going? Corner, bottom corner maybe, or
yeah, probably
top
corner.
top other side of the head.
Yeah, top head.
Top head.
Maybe a little adjusted, nothing too bad. Yeah, maybe a little adjusted, nothing too bad. You know what I'm saying?
Let me do this Walter one more time.
Bet.
I'm gonna do that bottom corner over here.
That's what I'm saying. The water ain't that bad though.
I gotta get used. I would have to get used to it. It got a lot of kick for a 9.
Right in the middle of that pad. Then you come straight back. You show you like, oh, you see like all my fingers over there to the left? 2 little trigger fingers on the top of that finger.
That joint one more time. Let's see what you got. You got it though, yep. It's see what I'm saying? You gotta aim a little weird with it. What's up?
The wall too far up.
Yeah. You got it. Boom. Yep.
Man, watch. Hold up.
You gotta cock it back again after you hold it. Yep. Then let it go. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Yeah.
That's what it is. That what was getting me.
Yep, on everything. That's what I'm saying. They don't shoot bad at all, though.
Don't shoot once you know where you're shooting at. Once you know what you're doing.
I should have brought that 19 again. That one was good. That 40 hurt, though. Bad boy. Yep. But yeah, we finna finish shooting. I'm gonna record some more too, though. Shooting. So give me 1 second, I'll be back. Alright, yeah, I'm back. He finna get ready to shoot this 27. Man, that joint hurt. Hey, I definitely gotta get grips on there. I think they sell grips in here too, don't they?
I don't know.
I'm gonna have to check, because boy, that joint hurt. Especially I'm gonna be carrying it. I'm a like, ooh.
Put one of these on.
I'm talking about the X grips.
Yeah. Put the
And I'm talking about like, you know what I'm saying? I don't like the slickness. You know what I'm saying? I like the skateboard texture for this. That mug. Different. Oh yeah, by the time y'all see this video, I'm gonna have a video dropped already for my Glock 27 review. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna be checking that out too. I can't wait for an outdoor range though. All right, see what you got with that mug. Damn, you accurate with the Damn. Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like I'm accurate with it, but that shit, they got too much kick to it.
Shit, look at that shit though.
Yeah. I
That's
feel
what I'm saying.
like
That
I'm
ain't
accurate
bad.
with it.
Oh man, I'm finna have to blow.
Running with that.
Yeah.
Running with the X grip. You might like that better. That's a 23. That's a 23 magazine with an X grip on.
I do like it though.
Yeah, it give you more grip.
Oh, God. Nigga, that shit hurt.
That motherfucker definitely whooping your ass.
Cool, God.
Make sure you put this. Hey, put this in here too. He was getting his ass whooped off.
That shit hurt, nigga. Nigga, that shit hurt. Look at my motherfucking head, G.
That's how I was.
I shoot my 22 way better than that, but it's longer too, though. Whew, that hurt. Whew. I got some 140 in there too. I don't see how. Ooh.
I need to run this.
Yeah, maybe I'm gonna trick it out. I'll probably get a new barrel with some vents on it.
That you should have got that. If you once like that, you definitely should have did the C, because the C keep your barrel down.
Cause this joint's so short, and plus no grip. I can't grip on nothing stuff. It hurt. You know what I'm saying? Compared to all these bigger ones. That joint hurt. I was shooting all over the place. Look at that. Whew.
You ain't shot that one? Have you shot that one?
No, I ain't shot yours
Oh,
yet.
shoot that motherfucker. There's one in there already.
Yeah, let me check yours out. Whew. Yeah, it hurt.
I forgot you did just. Go for that. One of the shoulders. Like it right there.
Yeah, bro, it hurt. It hurt. Whew. Whew. Like I said, I ain't shot this joint in probably like.
Okay, what y'all talking about this?
You talking the tar shit.
Okay, what y'all hate on? He back at it again with the 40.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, bro, because my joint ain't hitting, bro, for some reason. Look at that. No.
Shoot my 40 and see. Shoot my 40 and see if it's might just be you. My mag is gonna be right here. I took the X grip off. You gotta swap your X grip out.
Yeah, because my shit, hell. If I shoot better with your shit, something going on. Go for the bottom again.
You going for the red, right?
Yeah, I'm going for the red.
Yeah.
And I aimed I'm trying to figure this motherfucker out, boy. directly at it, so it's shooting low. So if I aim up, it'll shoot low. Yeah. Go ahead.
Let me see. You might be thinking too hard.
Yeah, let's see.
You might be thinking too hard.
See what I'm saying?
Let me do it one more time.
You see what I mean, though?
Yeah. I don't even know where I hit.
That's why I'm trying to figure out where I hit. You see what I mean? I'm like, what the fuck?
I'm about to go back to a 9. I'm glad I'm still accurate with the Taurus, baby.
Yeah, what? Oh, let me shoot a couple of you. Motherfucking. Man, what? Yeah, we'll go back to the 9 too, big. I'm keeping the 40 at home.
No matter though. As long as 9 got good. 9 got. They can't.
What?
You said what?
Yeah. He on the 9.
The 9 all the way, huh? That 40 something else.
The 9 technology so good though.
Yeah.
Like 9s is stopping shit too. Stopping up too. So.
But this 40 though,
You just gotta work on it. This is more about training. Me too. You see mine ain't hitting.
and then the plastic guy rod ain't making it no better neither. Making it snap. Like I said, I'm gonna do some shit to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do some shit. God damn. I'm getting new barrel, tungsten guy rod grips. Yeah, I'm gonna get it right though. I'm gonna shoot it one time though. One time for the one time. I don't even know where that motherfucker hit. You seen where it hit?
No.
She crazy. All I see was paper flying off that motherfucker. God damn. Maybe I said, man, I might get a red dot. That shit might help, nigga. I ain't even gonna lie, that red dot might help. It'll definitely help for the 9 and the 40, the other shit. Yeah. I'm gonna get a red dot. Fuck it. God damn. I'm
For YouTube, I'm gonna close this video out for.
It's cold and I'm reloaded.